Although some lines may look longer than others, the wait time is the same for each queue. Enjoy your adventure on the Jungle River Cruise today, and we warn you, you may get wet.
欢迎来到世界著名的森林河流之旅，请按照入口处上方标示的语言选择操适一排队等候。有的队列可能稍微长一些，但是每个队列等候的时间是一样。祝您森林河流之旅愉快，请各位当心，有可能被水溅身。歡迎嚟到世界知名嘅森林河流之旅，請根據選擇上面唔同嘅標誌選擇。
Hello, look fine. You can come and sit in the middle. You can come and sit in the middle. Yeah. If there is not enough space, they will sit on your lap, okay? Do not sit on mine, okay? Yes, come here. Yeah. I will protect you, no worries. Okay, everybody, are you ready? Yes, okay. Okay, let's say goodbye to my fans. Goodbye. Okay, we will never see them again because we will never come back. Hello, everybody. Hello. Hi. Welcome to the world famous Jungle River Cruise. I'm your skipper. My name is Chuck. I will be with you for the next 3 days and 2 nights. Before we depart, I have some important announcement for you. This is the waterway, so you may possibly get wet. So please take care of the children and your electronic device. And for the ship, please remain seated, and do not push your hand out next to outside the boat, okay? If everybody's ready, let's go. And then on the left hand side, you can see here is the dock of the wharf, and let's say goodbye. Goodbye. Okay, now the side. This is the Tarzan tree house. Goodbye. If you want to go on tree house, you need to get on the wharf. And remember, this tree house will close at 6, so take your time, okay? And then let's see. Oh, here comes to the elephant. You see the elephant? It's the mother elephant and the baby elephant. Let's take a closer look, okay? Yeah. The mother, is little one. Oh, how to use his trunk? Oh, isn't it cute? No worries, it's so small. So it won't bite on you. Oh, another elephant is the brother elephant. He loves to take shower all day long and singing again. Oh, and see all those wrinkles? Oh no! And here is the father elephant. He's not in a good mood today. So people on this side, take care of yourself, okay? Let's count down. 3, 2, 1. Okay, just a joke, no worries. He won't do that. Yeah, he won't dare to do that, okay? And then let's see on the left hand side, it's the dragon spider, the largest spider in the jungle. It can jump over 20 feet. And then on the right hand side is another spider. Oh, and here is the ancient temple of Ganesha. It's the elephant god and the king cobra. And then the king cobra on this side, remember, do not make now noise, okay? Oh, no way, let's go. But we are not safe yet because we here come to the crocodiles. You see the crocodiles? Okay? Do you know what they call us? They call us food. So do not put your hand out next to outside the bowl, okay? I don't want to be that luncheon dinner. Let's go. Oh, and here is the campsite of Professor Porter and Jane. But I think they have some unexpected company. It's the gorilla. Do you see the gorilla? Oh, they have a gun. No way. Gunshot. Oh. Let's go. I don't want to swim back. And then now, it's the African safari. It's the zebra. This is zebra. Do you know what is different between male zebra and a female zebra? The back with the white shape is a female, and this one The white with the badger is a male, okay? And then you can see there is giraffe and here is the African elephant. It's the number 2 fiercest animal in the jungle. Do you know who is the number 1? It's her, it's his wife, okay? Let's go. And then here is the hippo pool. One hippo sits down sometimes. They can easily quadruple. Wow! Another one on this side. Wow, such a mountain mouth. They didn't wrap their teeth, okay. And now, do you know what happened to these guys? They are my last group. They are so afraid of the hippo are now being chased by the hyenas and walnuts, okay? Okay, anybody want to take them back? Anyone? No? Oh, no, we just leave them here, okay? Okay, goodbye my friends, goodbye. Oh, no! Do you see all those skulls? We are finally here. It's the headhunter treacherous, okay? Okay, and everybody, keep quiet and head down, okay? I don't want to lose my head. No way! You can see us! It's the mountain and stuff! Everybody protect your head, okay? Protect your head! Oh, no. That was close. Everybody okay? Your head still here? Yeah, touch it. You alright? Yeah. If you miss it, please go down, okay? And find yours, okay? Okay, if everybody is okay, are you guys ready to see? We have more dangers. Are you okay? Yeah, okay. If everybody is okay, let's go. This jungle is too dangerous, so let's head back. The dog is just over there. Let's go, let's go. Okay, this is the Forbidden Canyon, of course. It's protected by the god of water and the god of fire. I think they are really angry. What should we do now? They broke our way. No way to go. Please raise up your hand. Okay, nobody. Good. We survived. Let's give yourself a big hand. You guys are so brave, okay? Okay, we're swimming seated. Yeah, okay. And then let's see. Oh, it's the baby elephant we saw before. He knows how to use his trunk already. Okay, let's say goodbye. Goodbye. Okay, we're swimming seated and we will be back soon. Yeah. We make seated. Okay, and put back your arm inside the bowl. Mind your album. Yeah, album inside the bowl. Album inside the bowl. Okay? Okay, we will be back soon. Remember, when you're back, this is the window. The one at the middle and the back is the exit. Do not cross the window. Do not cross the window. Otherwise, you'll become a gorilla at the midnight. No more chocolate, no more ice cream, only banana forever and after. So remember, do not cross the window, okay? And then, if you enjoy the trip, please remember my name is Chuck. I'm your skipper. If you don't forget me, it's fine. Just call me Mary, okay? Okay, my voice stop now. You may go. Now it's time to say goodbye. Thank you for joining me for the adventures. Thank you for coming. Thank you for laughing. If you didn't laugh, thank you for leaving. Yeah, have a magical day in the Hong Kong Disneyland. Yeah. Thank you. If you enjoyed so much, go check in and turn right. Yeah, thank you.